Hi guys, welcome back if you're new here. First of all, I apologize because the lighting in here is just terrible and I have like half mascara on this side, none on that side, brow gel on this side, none on this side. I've been testing out products, but I just became a consultant for Beautycounter and I just want to talk about the reason why I did that is because number one, my skin is glowing and I've only been using two of their products, their overnight resurfacing peel and their Dew Skin tinted moisturizer for about 2 weeks now, and it's literally amazing. My crow's feet right there that I was starting to get are gone. My acne's clearing up. I didn't have a lot of acne, but I had like blackheads and stuff, and their whole mission is to get safer beauty products in the hands of everyone. So they ban over 1,500 ingredients. Just to give you a little comparison, Europe is the lead in that, and they ban 14 ingredients. Beautycounter does that, plus they ban another 100 ingredients above and beyond that. Right now, the US only bans 30. So there's a lot of unsafe products in our cosmetics that have been linked to cancer, have been linked to infertility, have been linked to hormone disorders. And my friend Olivia, who just went through surgery to remove endometriosis, is the one who showed me it, and she's obviously switching to safer products because, you know, you never know what contributed to that. And that actually history runs in my family. My mom had it. Hashtag endo awareness, girls. But I thought I'd do a product haul. I will do a skincare video soon, but I thought I'd do a product haul. So this is just a little one. I have makeup too that I just bought. That's why I was swatching, but I just wanted to do this product haul right here. This is the Counter Match line, which is for normal skin. Works for every skin type unless you're super dry or super oily. So combination skin, normal skin. The guy who worked for Chanel helped develop it, and it actually has technology in it which mimics your skin's layer. Sorry, I don't know where I was at. We just got interrupted by actually my friend I was just telling you about. Love her. She called on the phone. Anyway, it's good for normal skin type. The guy who worked for Chanel adapted it. It adjusts to your skin's moisture levels, so it gives you what you need, all the moisture that you need, but nothing less. So during the day, as your moisture levels adjust, it adjusts with you. So this is the cleansing milk, and the packaging is so pretty. It looks like the ocean. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna quit being weird now. Okay, so this is the cleansing milk. This is what it looks like, and what you're gonna do is actually rub it into your skin and let it break down all the makeup, and then add some water to it, and it's a milky substance. And if you want to do a double cleanse, I'm really into Korean skincare. If you want to do a double cleanse, you could actually use the cleansing balm from Beautycounter, and they just came out with a new one that has lotus flower in it. It's very, very healing. Let's see, it comes with a little spatula. There it is. You can rub this in, do the same thing, put it on dry skin, and then add water to it and rinse. Do that first and then do your cleansing milk, and that's the double cleanse, which makes sure you get all the makeup off. Then next up we have the Intense Moisture Serum. So this is the serum that you would put on at night. You could do it in the morning too, but I like to do my serum at night. It comes in this really awesome packaging. It's got, you can hit, and it's got this little button dropper. You can hit that and get some product in it and then drop it out so you don't get too much. And I'm telling you, it is crazy how far it goes. This will last you forever, and it feels amazing. I'm dropping everything today. Okay, next up we have the Adaptive Moisture Lotion, and this is like the daily moisturizer, and it's awesome under makeup. Amazing under makeup. Comes in this little packaging, kind of squirts out. Gotta get it pumped. There we go. Just goes right into the skin. Just put some extra on. It's so light, but also so moisturizing. So it's awesome, and it's not like that gross. It goes into your skin really well, and you can use it under makeup. Amazing. That's great for a morning. That is great for a morning. That is great for a morning moisturizer. Say that 5 times fast. You can use it at night too, though. But you want to do the Recovery Sleeping Cream, Countermatch Recovering Sleeping Cream at night. You could do that. It's a little bit more intense. It comes in this really awesome little packaging, and you just press the top and a little bit will come out right there, so you never overuse it. It's amazing. And I took it off so you can see it's thicker, but you never really need to take that off. The great part about it is that it does have that packaging where you can, well, I'm having trouble here, hold on. Okay, so this whole thing came off, and I was showing you the inside of it, and I just spent like 5 minutes trying to screw it on the wrong way. Thought I was gonna have to send it back. Okay. Anyway, watch. See how it just provides you just the right amount? It keeps the product a lot more fresh because it's staying sealed in there, and then all you need is this little amount. It's thicker, but let me just tell you, still seeps into the skin amazing. Okay, so that's the sleep cream. I'm really excited about this packaging, and I'm glad that, you know, it wasn't broken, because I've been waiting on this to come in, and I really didn't want to have to wait anymore. Okay, that's the sleep cream. Now, where were we? Eye cream. Everyone needs a good eye cream, I'm telling you. So this is the Countermatch Eye Rescue Cream, and it comes in a little packaging, just kind of like the moisturizer I was showing you. Oh, that feels really good, guys. Seeps right in there. But you're not going to get confused because, I mean, look how big that one is, and look how small this one is. So they look the same, but you won't get confused. Will not be confused easily. Okay, so that's the Countermatch collection, which I'm psyched about. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you is the Vitamin C Brightening Oil. Give your skin a brightening boost with Beautycounter Plus, a collection of targeted treatments specially formulated to enhance your daily skincare routine. So you could put a couple of drops of this oil. This is the size of it. And this is the little dropper that it comes with. You'll attach that. I'll show you. It's when it comes in the package. And they actually just redid their packaging. So this is going to come in a little gray bottle now. But just so you can see, it's sealed. You heard that pop. Ooh, there's a little bit of oil on it. Let me just rub that into my hands, get all that goodness. Smells like orange. Oh, it's so good. But they don't put any scents in their stuff, so it's just from the vitamin C. All right. It's only their ingredients. It also gets that little dropper, so it's so cool. Little medicine dropper. And you can either do this separate or you can add it into your moisturizer. Make a little cocktail. So that's exciting. And then this is the Balancing Charcoal Face Mask. Give your skin a balancing boost. Oh, I already read that. Clay mask purifies and balances, absorbing excess oil and drawing out impurities. Activated charcoal minimizes the appearance of pores and gives skin a smooth, refined appearance. The salicylic acid stimulates exfoliation. And then I'm going to get back to the oil for a second. Lightweight and silky smooth, our proprietary blend of 7 natural oils moisturizes skin and improves radiance. Omega-rich marula oil provides intense hydration, while antioxidant vitamin C brightens and evens skin tone. And this is the face mask. I love to watch The Bachelor and put on a face mask at night, which fortunately this didn't come in time because it was on last night. But that's when I do my weekly masks. And this will help with any irritating blackheads or anything like that. As you can see, that gray, you'll put it on your face. Oops. Hold on. Let me get it a little out. Feels amazing. It's so light. You know how some of those charcoal face masks like tighten up? I've already sampled this before. When it dries, it doesn't tighten like that. Maybe like a little bit, but not like, you know what I mean? So this is what it looks like when it goes on, but it dries a little bit lighter, and then when it's dry, you know, you can rinse it off. 2 to 3 times a week it says, leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse. So I like how it's not gonna dry your face out, just gets the impurities out. So yeah, that's all my Beautycounter stuff. I'm really excited. I've always been passionate about skincare, and I've been switching all my stuff over to Sabre products, so this is amazing. Their stuff works amazing, high performance. Their makeup is high performance. Everyone has noticed my skin. My husband even said, and he's a guy, like, wow, your skin's glowing. And I was like, thank you, babe. But it's amazing. I couldn't tell you enough about how important it is for us to, oh, see that little piece? Dry slider. Anyway, like this video if you want to see more like it, subscribe, and I'll put my link down below if you choose to shop with me, but you don't have to. Beautycounter, you can just go straight on the website and buy it, and I think they have a couple stores in New York and somewhere else, maybe California. But if you choose to shop with me, it does help me out, so that'd be cool. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.